I'm Binti Azizi. Today I'm going to present to talk about the advantage of halal logistics. The first advantage is expertise in halal logistics. The specialists they ensure that products comply with Islamic law throughout the supply chain. They have in-depth knowledge of halal requirements, including certification, labeling, and the separation of the halal and non-halal items. Their roles, including verifying that products that are slaughtered according to the halal guideline and meeting the transparency and traceability to uphold the halal integrity. This helps the business meet halal standard, ensuring the product quality and consumer trust. Second advantage is reducing the risk of the non-compliance. The businesses can avoid non-compliance with halal rules by partnering with a halal logistic provider. This ensures provide a proper handling, storage, and transport, reducing fines and reputational risk. Halal certification builds trust, improve logistics, and reduce costs, while certifying bodies provide training to help businesses stay compliant. Now, the third one is an increased effectiveness and cost reduction. Businesses can improve efficiency and reduce costs by optimizing logistics with halal services provider. This can help reduce waste and boost profit while supporting the growth of the halal industry, such as by working with the manufacturers and suppliers. They can help meet halal consumer demand and expand the market. Halal logistics also open export opportunities, especially in countries requiring halal certification, benefiting from the fast-growing halal market. Last but not least is advantage over competitors. By focusing on halal logistics, help businesses stand out in a competitive market by proving their commitment to quality and halal standard. This attract consumers who prioritize trustworthy, ethical, and nutrition products. This giving the businesses a strong competitive edge. Now we're moving to the next presenter.
Okay, next I will explain about the key challenge faced in halal logistics. The first major challenge is ensuring compliance across the entire supply chain. Halal integrity must be maintained in procurement, transportation, storage, and distribution. Even a single gap can compromise the halal status of a product. Next, the second challenge is the lack of specialized training and certification. Halal logistics requires staff to have in-depth knowledge of halal logistics. For the third challenge is limited infrastructure, especially in certain regions. Inadequate facility make it difficult is to maintain proper halal standard. Lastly, the high cost of halal certification and audit present a significant challenge. Certification involves expenses related to documentation, process adjustment, and frequent audits, which can be overwhelming, especially for SMEs.
Now we go to the opportunities in halal logistics. For the first point, which is the high potential market, which is the demand for halal product is increasing as the global Muslim population reach 2 billion by 2025. Ensuring halal integrity across logistic activities is crucial to maintain compliance with Islamic principles. The global trade expansion, particularly in food, medicine, and cosmetics, offers significant opportunities. Europe plays a major role with Germany and Poland as key exports. Additionally, the halal market is growing at a rate of 20% annually, with the halal healthcare sector expected to reach 1.17 trillion by 2021. Now we go to second point, which is technology and innovation are driving the growth of the halal industry. Government and businesses are investing in halal innovation, with blockchain ensuring traceability and authenticity. AI, robotic, and IoT are improving efficiency in logistics, while PCR testing enhance halal certification. Sustainable agriculture is also benefit through halal certified fertilizer. With dedicated infrastructure, these innovations are create a long-term future for the halal industry area. ASEAN is positioned to be a global leader in halal trade, with a GDP of 3.166 trillion and population of over 650 million. which 42% of whom are Muslim. The region plays a major role in key sectors from food to pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. Its strategic location connects Asia and the Middle East, which will lead to the boosting trade. With Asian halal food guideline, blockchain adoption, and technology advancement, ASEAN has the opportunity to become the world's leading halal logistic hub. Overcoming challenges like global halal standard will be key to realizing its full potential.
Hello, my name is Nurul Nisha binti Nazaruddin. Today I will be discussing the growing importance of halal logistics in global supply chains. With increasing demand for halal compliant services, major logistic providers has taken significant steps to ensure the integrity of halal products throughout transportation, warehousing, and distribution. We will focus on three leading companies in the space, which is PKT Logistics Group, Mas Cargo, and Nippon Express. Let's begin with PKT Logistics Group, a Malaysian-based logistic provider that has recently secured halal certification for its subsidiary, PKT AV24 Logistics. This certification ensures that services, warehousing, transportation, and distribution are fully compliant with halal standards. The main key point that we can conclude is PKT provides specialized halal facilities and equipment to prevent cross-contaminations, serves food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods industries, invested in infrastructure like temperature-controlled storage and secure pharma handling, strengthening the halal logistic network across Southeast Asia to meet growing demand. With the capability, PKT Logistics has established itself as a reliable partner for businesses seeking seamless halal supply chain solutions. Next, let's talk about Mas Cargo, a key player in air cargo logistics and one of the pioneers in halal freight. Mas Cargo holds a halal certification for JAKIM, which demonstrates its adherence to strict Sharia compliance in handling halal products. The main key points that we can conclude is JAKIM certification halal logistics, ensuring full compliance with Islamic laws, dedicated halal storage and handling equipment to prevent contamination, highly trained staff, following strict halal protocols at every stage. Industry coverage includes food, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics, secure halal air freight service from warehouse to final destination. By maintaining strict halal procedures and investing in infrastructure, Mas Cargo ensures the safe and compliant transportation of halal goods across global markets. Now, let's move on to the last one, which is Nippon Express, a global logistic giant that has made significant advancement in halal logistics by integrating halal compliance into an intensive supply chain network. The main key points that we can conclude is provides end-to-end halal logistics including air, ocean, and truck freight, as well as warehousing, strict cross-contamination prevention using dedication halal vehicle and storage areas, technology-driven logistics ensuring halal integrity in handling processes, serves multiple industries including food, pharmaceuticals, and fashion, offers value-added services such as halal labeling, packaging, and documentation. With its global presence and specialized services, Nippon Express simplifies halal logistics for businesses, ensuring compliance at every step of the supply chain. To summarize, the halal logistics industries is expanding rapidly, and companies like PKT Logistics, Mas Cargo, and Nippon Express are the forefront of ensuring compliant reliability and efficiency. Halal certification is essential to ensure compliance in logistics. Strict handling procedures and infrastructure investment prevent cross-contamination. Growing demand for halal logistics is driving companies to expand services. Halal logistics play a key role in supporting the global halal market. As the demand for halal products continues to grow, logistics providers must maintain the highest standards to ensure halal integrity across global supply chain. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation has given you insight into a critical role of halal logistics in today's supply chain.
Now, I will continue the presentation about flow of halal product delivery from port to consumer. The first one is arrival at port. Halal certified product arriving by ship undergo through verification to ensure compliance with Islamic principles. These steps safeguard their integrity, build supply chains, and maintain consumer trust in ethical and religious standards. The next one is unloading. Unloading halal food requires careful handling, seat segregation, and close supervision to prevent contamination. This process ensures quality, maintain religious integrity, and reinforce consumer trust while balancing compliance with logistical efficiency. The next one is inspection. Inspection ensure halal product meet certification with thorough check on documentation and physical state, ensuring compliance and building trust throughout the supply chain. The next one is halal storage. Halal goods are stored in certified space, ensuring purity and separation from non-halal items. Facilities are clean, monitored, and managed carefully, maintaining halal integrity and meeting customers' ethical and religious expectations. And the next one is transportation. Halal transportation use designed, clean vehicles to prevent contamination. Trained staff ensure compliance, and monitoring maintains product integrity, ensuring safe, ethical delivery to certified distribution hubs while preserving halal standards. The next one is distribution. Halal products are sorted and sent to certified stores or consumers, ensuring integrity. Strict monitoring prevents contamination, maintaining transparency and meeting customers' ethical and religious standards. And the last one is final delivery. Halal products are delivered to a certified store or directly to consumers, ensuring careful handling and compliance. This steps build consumer trust, upholding transparency, quality, and faith through the supply chains. Next, we move to flow process of halal control process (HCP) for meat and poultry. The first one is animal selection. Halal meat start with selecting healthy, permissible animals like cows, goat, and poultry to avoiding prohibited species. Regular inspection ensure compliance with ethical and health standards for safe consumption. The next one is animal handling and transportation. Human handling and transport ensure animal well-being, preventing stress or injury. Proper enclosures and vehicles maintained. Animal dignity preserving both meat quality and halal purity in line with Islamic compassion principles. The next one is slaughterhouse condition. Halal compliance, hygiene, and cleanliness in slaughterhouse are essentials. Strict segregation prevent contamination, ensuring purity, safety, and adherence to Islamic belief, while maintaining high quality to consumer safe meat and fostering trust. And the next one is halal slaughtering process. In halal slaughter, a qualified Muslim swiftly make a precise cut, invoking Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Allahu Akbar to minimize pain, ensure respect, and meet halal requirement for proper meat processing. And the next one is draining of blood. Blood must be completely drained from the carcass to maintain halal purity and prevent contamination compliance with Islamic rules and food safety, guaranteeing high quality, safe meat for consumers. And the next one is post-slaughter inspection. After slaughter, trained inspectors ensure the meat meets halal and health standard, discarding any contaminated or unhealthy carcasses, ensuring safety, quality, and consumer confidence in the halal process. The next one is separation of halal and non-halal product. Halal meat is strictly separated from non-halal item throughout processing, storage, and transport, ensuring purity, compliance with laws, and consumer confidence in the care and integrity of the product. The next one is packaging and labeling. Halal meat is packaged hygienically to preserve the quality and safety. It receives a certified halal label, ensuring strict adherence to Islamic law, offering consumer trust and confidence in its purity and sourcing. And last but not least is storage and transportation. Halal meat is stored and transported separately to maintaining hygiene and temperature control to preserve quality and freshness, ensuring adherence to Islamic standards and building consumer trust in the product integrity.
Okay, lastly, I will explain why should we promote halal logistics on a global scale. First, there's a rising global demand for halal products. This demand is not limited to Muslim majority countries only, because markets at United Kingdom, France and United States are also seeing growth. Additionally, promoting halal logistics opens up a new business and trade opportunity internationally.